Friend, what was the reaction after these animals were seeing our face on mirror? First, let's see the bear reaction. And he started attacking on its reflection and thinking that another bear had entered in its territory. Next, we have lion, and he is thinking that I can see him from here, but when I go behind, there is no one. Injustice has been done to me. And last, we have monkey, and he called out his friend and saying, "Hey brother, just look at me and say, is there anyone who is more handsome than me?" Friend, which animal reaction is amazing? Tell me in comment.